Hello, today we are going to do section 4.6. We're going to be doing example 3, but before that we're going to look at page 103 of our journal and look at the complex conjugate theorem, which is pretty much the same as the irrational conjugates theorem, which says if we have a 0 of a plus bi, we will also have a 0 of a minus bi. So the i's always come in pairs. You'll either have 2 of them, 4 of them, etc. So let's try an example. I'd like you to put this example in your journal. If I give you the zeros of 3 and 2i, I'd like you to tell me the polynomial. Well, you have to first know that the zeros really are 3, 2i, and negative 2i. So we're going to put these back into parentheses, make sure the signs go opposite, and then we're going to FOIL this out. Let's first FOIL the binomials with I. So we'll have x times x, and we'll have x squared, x times 2i, 2ix, negative 2i times x will be negative 2ix, and then negative 2i times positive 2i will be 4i squared. Now the two middle terms will cancel, and we should remember that I squared is the same as negative 1, so this negative 4 will actually turn into a positive 4. Carry over the x minus 3 and then FOIL these two binomials together, which should be easy for you, and our final answer will be x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x minus 12. So let's try the example in our notes. So first of all, for example 3, there was a typo. Let's scribble out this 3 plus and just do zeros of 2 and I. So really our zeros will be x equals 2, I, and negative I, because the i's always come in pairs. Place them back into the parentheses. Notice the signs will change. Then multiply the binomials with I first. FOIL them out. First I get x squared. Outers I get ix. Inners I'll get negative ix. And then lastly, I'll get negative I times positive I, which will be negative I squared. Again, notice the inners and outers cancel. In fact, if you don't want to show them, that's fine. I squared is the same as negative 1, so I'll have minus negative 1, which will actually turn into a positive 1. Carry over the x minus 2, and now FOIL. X times x squared is x cubed. X times 1, negative 2 times x squared, and negative 2 times 1. And then make sure you write your final answer in order from highest power to lowest power. I'd like you to now try monitoring progress 5. For monitoring progress 6, please erase the 1 plus and now try monitoring progress 6. Now try monitoring progress 7. First erase the 1 minus. And for monitoring progress 8, erase the 4 minus and try that one. This one will be tricky. Please let me know if you have any questions.